Alright everybody, welcome. So today we're in Osaka and we are in the heart of Dotonbori here in front of the famous Glico sign right there. It's been there since 1925, but yeah, this is one of the most photographed spots in all of Osaka here, and this is also the heart of the nightlife and entertainment district here in Osaka in Dotonbori. So yeah, we'll start here and we'll just walk around the area and see the main sights here. So glad to have you aboard with us, so here we go. Alright, so there's the sign right there. That's the Glico sign. Look at everybody taking pictures. Everybody wants to take pictures here. This is one of the most famous tourist spots. Has to be in all of Japan here. A ton of people here, kind of crazy. Many tourists here. And look over there. That is a lot of people over there. People as far as the eye can see. The walk here. I do like all these neon advertisements other places. It's like something out of Cyberpunk, really, 2077. All these signs here. Alright, so this is a pier on Dotonbori River. This used to be a theater district. Theatrical performances used to take place here. But now it's full of tourists everywhere. Pretty lively today. And you can see there's boats for tourists to go on there. To just cruise down the river, Dotonbori River here. People taking pictures everywhere. I don't blame them though. This is very scenic. Look at this. This is the lanterns here. A great place to take a picture. Yeah, this is Ebisu Bridge. It's less crowded. Still pretty though. Traditional looking. So many people taking pictures. But this is a tourist spot, of course. I'm a tourist as well. Not ashamed to say that. And there are boats coming down the river, Dotonbori River. The cruises are really popular here. If you ever find yourself here in Osaka, you might want to go on the cruise here down the river. Alright, so here's Dotonbori Street. Interesting signs here along the way. That is a crab. And it's moving a little sometimes. Interesting signs. Arcade there. And there is a monkey Meiji advertisement. That's a snack company for them. Snack company here in Japan. Fairly crowded here too, Dotonbori Street. The signs are very unique here. That right there, that is Osaka Osho. That is a nice chain of fried rice and dumpling restaurants. Not very healthy, but it's very tasty. I like this. I'm not sure what this is exactly, but that looks interesting. A person beating a drum there. Of course, everybody's gonna take a picture of it, right? Alright, this is one of the side streets here. A lot more quiet over here. Less people. Yeah, a lot more calm here. I like this better. Not as crazy here. There. Let's go through here. Here. Looks way interesting and completely safe, I can assure you. More quiet here. I like the alleys here. And here we are. We found a shrine. Look at this. There's a shrine in the middle of everything. There's a shrine here. Way more quiet here. Peaceful here. All right, so here's Shinsaibashi here. This is one of many arcades, but this happens to be the most crowded and the most famous here. So we're going to go down it. Why not? So here we go. Shinsaibashi here. Look at all the people. Yeah, it's kind of late, but still crowded. It is pretty close to where I'm staying, so I do come here quite a bit to eat something. There's a side street over there. Soy Mancho. Yeah, it's still crowded here, you know, it's getting a bit late. There's McDonald's, of course, and Caesarea. Caesarea, that's a cheap pizza place, which is not bad. There's divided opinions on it, but I don't mind Caesarea. And McDonald's, look, touchscreens. In Japan, you could use the touchscreens, of course, and you don't have to speak Japanese to them. Or McDonald's. Things are starting to close down here. The crowds are starting to thin out here. All right, here. This is a bit away from all the tourist crowds, but this is Americamura, America Village here. This is kind of where all the, I guess, alternative crowd, the Goths, like to hang out here. The Goths of Osaka, the vampires. They're not out yet. I guess it's not late enough, but there's some people over there. Skateboarders like to come here. It's kind of quiet tonight. Usually a bit more lively than this, but I got street art there. And also the Statue of Liberty way up there. Look at that. Statue of Liberty. Way up there. I'm zooming in. Yep, there it is. That's why it's called America Village. Here. Yeah, here it is. They got some graffiti here. Over there. This is a popular hangout spot over here. I guess it's a Thursday. I don't think any clubs are open now, but this is the spot to be for nightlife. So many clubs open now. That's a good view of the skate park there. Americamura. Alright, everybody, I want to end it here back at the Glico sign where we started. But yeah, this is Osaka, quite different from Tokyo. But I like them both. There is a bit of a debate on which city is better. Is it Tokyo or Osaka? But maybe you can let me know in the comments which do you prefer. I like them both about the same. But yeah, I'm going to go here. And if you like these videos, keep subscribing. I put out 1 or 2 a week. But I'll see everybody around for the next time. So see you later.